Right, this bad boy turned up today. Let's get her open, have a look at her. We've been eyeing up these for some time now, so what is it, you might ask? It's basically a whacker plate on rollers, and its purpose is to compact the paving without causing damage, so you don't need a mat because it's on rollers. A rubber roller doesn't cause any damage, so no chipping or having to replace blocks, especially if there are, you know, certain block or material which is prone to chipping. This bad boy will do the business. So we will upload a few pictures and videos. You can watch her in action.